Okay, in order to connect those branches to this main duct from the Microdesk, I can easily click on the tab and select my main duct and select the branch, and do the same for the other, the main, and the same, no, this, the main and the branch. It's easily allows me to make multiple branches, especially when I have a shortcut for this option for this tool. This is the first lesson in this video. So the second is the flip multiple option. From here I can flip multiple elements that are hosted to a wall, like for example these grills. I need to switch it like this to be like this. Okay, so the traditional way is to press on the grill and press here and press here and press here. Okay, go back. So with the flip multiple I can, first I select the items I need to flip it, and I press on flip multiple, and boom, it's done in one go. This is the second. And the third one is rotating the fittings. So rotating the fittings, the traditional way is allowing me to return to rotate it 90 degree and another 90 degree, like this and like this. Okay, so with the Microdesk I can click here, rotate fitting 180, and click on the fitting, and in one go it goes here, and I connect the pipe to this fitting. Okay, but what is the difference between the rotate fitting 118 and the 80 and rotate fitting just rotate fitting? This is more, this tool here is more general than this one, meaning I will click here, I will firstly click on the rotate fitting and click on the fitting. Okay, and the thing is, it allows me to choose which angle will I rotate my fitting for it. For example, I will rotate it for 30 degrees. The fitting is rotating, but to demonstrate this I will take this in the 3D so I can look at it perfectly. Okay, I will make this shaded. Okay, this one. So with the Microdesk I will rotate this fitting to be compatible with the angle of this pipe, like this. Rotate fitting, click on the fitting and choose to rotate it to 22.5, and it's suitable to the to the pipe here. And I will click on move connect, click on the reference and click on the pipe, and boom, it's done. So in this video we have completed the tab, the flip multiple, the rotate fitting 180, and rotate fitting. Thank you.